Okay, hello friends. Hope you all are doing well and welcome to our AS Tutor Point. Today we will learn about epistemological bases of education, knowledge and curriculum. We'll go through the another subject, that is knowledge and curriculum. It will cover the topics concept of knowledge, types of knowledge, sources of knowledge, epistemology, teaching, training, and belief, differences, and comparison. So, first is concept of knowledge. Knowledge is the familiarity, awareness, or understanding of someone or something acquired through experience or education by perceiving, discovering, or learning. Theoretically or practically, can be implicit, that is practical skill, or explicit, that is theoretical subject, formal or systematic. Complex acquisition involves cognitive processes, perceptions, communication, and reasoning, fluid and dynamic, a mix of framed experience, value, contextual information, and expert insight. Going through definitions of knowledge. Oxford Dictionary says expertise and skills required by a person theoretically or practically understanding of a subject. Plato says justified through belief. East is the knowledge of through belief which is supported by the fact arrived through daily observation. John Dewey says knowledge arises from an active adaptation or adoption of the human organism to its environment. Humans are the most adaptive species. Next, characteristics of knowledge. First, knowledge never decays. Knowledge is boundless. Knowledge can be imparted. Knowledge is like wealth. More he gets, more he curves. Information is the source of knowledge. Knowledge is a continuous dynamic process. Knowledge is powerful based on facts and values. Further, we'll go through types of knowledge. First is philosophical. Epistemological branch of philosophy concerned with minds and reality, studies through belief, justification. Psychological. Education is for the child. Psychological guides curriculum development. Piaget, Erikson, Brunner shape it. Next, propositional. Knowledge of facts. Knowing that, example, I know that the earth orbits the sun, can be complied or listed. Strategic. Procedures used in learning may be conscious or unconscious. Helps readers build deep reading structure. Situational. Gain from experiences. You learn patterns, recognize issue, hard to gain but no substitute for experience. Next, conceptual, that is understanding and interpreting concepts and relationships, learning that involves understanding theories and models. Next, epistemology, study of knowledge. Epistemology is the study of our method of acquiring knowledge. What does it mean to know? It answers how done know, what is done know. It concerns how minds are related to reality and whether relationships are valid. Without justification, we are left with opinions at best. Epistemology examines methods of justification. It encompasses nature and validity of concepts, the constructing of ideas. James Ferrer says coined the term epistemology, the branch of philosophy concerned with nature, scope, and limits of knowledge. investigates, that is, origin, natural method, and limits of human knowledge. We'll go to sources of knowledge, that is education. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Conceptual. What you know, while education is how you learn it. Conceptual. Facts you can recall or use. Situational. Situational knowledge is what you know from experience. Strategic. How you learn. Procedural knowledge used in reading and problem solving. We'll go through differences, that is knowledge, information, skill, and belief. What is knowledge? Theoretical conceptual understanding acquired through learning or experience. Conceptual analytical skills required can be unconscious or invisible. Information easily identified and disseminated, always visible, no analytical skill needed. Neutral, a flow of messages. Skills, proficiencies that develop through practice, acquired through training or experience, can be developed with practice. Example, baking, cooking, riding a bike, etc. Belief, temporary, not based on evidence, are things we think are true, starting point for getting knowledgeable, may or may not align with truth. We'll go through teaching versus training. What is teaching? Sharing knowledge or giving instruction on how to do something. Academic activity, an ongoing learning process, involves theory, mainly involves mind, lays stress on education, knowledge and wisdom, provides extensive knowledge in general, longer time span required. What is training? Practical side of learning, shapes habits, provides people with skills they need to perform a task, involves practical approach, shapes habits, lays stress on skills and abilities, gives intensive information about a limited domain, shorter time span. Now, this is the key takeaways that we'll go through. Knowledge is familiarity, understanding acquired through experience, education, perceptions, or learning. Second, types include. We have learned in this session philosophical, psychological, propositional, strategic, situational, and conceptual. Third is epistemology, study, origin, nature, methods, and limits of knowledge, coined by James Ferrer. Education is the primary source. It is how we acquire knowledge and develop values and virtue. Next, teaching is not equal to training. Teaching gives broad knowledge over time. Training gives specific skills in a short span. Next, knowledge is not equal to information, is not equal to belief. Each plays a distinct role in how humans learn and understand. So, this is it from today's session. Hope you have learned something new today and it has increased your knowledge. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Let's meet again with a new topic in another session. Till then, keep learning and keep growing. Thank you.